In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Outlook emails in the new Outlook, using the latest update. First, make sure you're actually using the new Outlook interface. Open Outlook on your computer and look for a toggle or banner that mentions Try the new Outlook or New Outlook. If you see it and you're still on the classic version, switch over so your screen matches the latest layout. This is important because the archive options and buttons are different from the older versions. Once you're in the new Outlook, let's take a look at where your archive tools live. On the left side, you'll see your folder list, inbox, sent items, and so on. In that same list, you should see a folder called Archive. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down or collapse any groups that might be hiding it. Outlook normally creates this folder automatically, and this is where your archived emails will go. Now, let's walk through archiving a single email. Go to your inbox and click on one message you'd like to clean up. At the top toolbar, you should see an archive button. It usually looks like a small filing box icon or is labeled Archive. Click that once and the email will be moved out of your inbox and into the archive folder. This doesn't delete the email. It simply removes it from your main view so your inbox stays clean, while still keeping the message available whenever you need it. If you want to archive multiple emails at once, you can speed things up. In your inbox, select the first email, then hold down Shift and click a second email to select everything in between. Or hold down Control and click individual messages to pick them one by one. Once you have your selection, click the Archive button in the toolbar again. All those selected emails will be moved to the archive folder in a single step. You can also use keyboard shortcuts in the new Outlook to make archiving faster. With an email selected, press the Archive shortcut key if it's available in your version. This is especially handy if you process a lot of emails every day and want to quickly clear your inbox without constantly reaching for the mouse. To find an email you've archived, go back to the folder list and click on Archive. You'll see all the messages you've moved there. You can scroll through them, sort them, or use the search bar at the top to find a specific message by sender, subject, or keyword. Remember, archived emails are fully searchable and can be opened, replied to, or moved back to the inbox if needed. That's all you need to start archiving emails in the new Outlook and keep your inbox manageable while still holding on to important messages.